कृष्णव्रता कृष्णमनुस्मरन्तः रात्रौ च कृष्णं पुनरुत्थिताय ते कृष्णदेहा प्रविशन्ति कृष्णम् आज्यं यथा मन्त्रहुतं हुताशे बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्. When you're coming for the Rasa Leela, this is how you forget order. A supreme order reigns when an ordinary disorder takes place. The Lord looks at them. But my mother Yogamaya, she's a woman. Radharani is a man, no? She's a mother. She quickly goes and sets things right. Puts the earring in the ear, the nose ring in the nose, the collyrium in the eye, the vermilion on the forehead, the girdle round the waist, and the necklace around the neck, the lower garment low, and the upper garment above. And now they look beautiful. I didn't call you, says the Lord. Of course you called us, Master. You blew on the flute, and that was the Gmail. I used the word Gmail before Gmail came in. I call it God's mail. How did you come here, all of you? None of us called you. The word spread, the word spread. There's a Bhagavatam in Tirumala. Come there, come there. And your souls were drawn, and you came here because you were in ecstasy. We can't go back home, Krishna. Oh, you can't go back home. Maivam vibho arhati bhagavan bhavan gaditum drishamsam santyajya sarva vishayan tava padamulam. We are the bhaktas who have given up all sensuousness and we have come to your padamula. How can you neglect us? Padaupadam na chalatas tava padamulat yamak katham vrajamato karavama kimva. How can we go away leaving you, Master? Our feet won't go from here. How can our hands go and work at home? Go, gopis, go. No, Master, no. You want to touch me? Touch. And he stretches out his hand. When we stand in the presence of Venkateshwara and we get special darshan, please beware of one thing, ego meter reading. Mercury is rising. More than anything, you look at everybody. I got the VIP list. Next time you won't even get the third list. You will be pushed in the Dharma Darshan. And Mahalagu Darshan they have. I feel very sad when you are pushed away from Jaya and Vijaya. Don't be proud of the darshan that you get. I saw a caption in the JEO's office. The sir says, the darshan that you get is not what you deserve, but what he desires. Please remember. Darshan is what he desires. What Krishna wants is the darshan you get. The Bhagavata says, now the gopis became proud. The Lord loves us more than others. Atmanam meni restrinam maninyo abhyadikam bhuvi. When you become proud, the Lord hits you. Hits you where you are vulnerable. Achilles' heel. You understand? He knows the Achilles' heel, weak points. Atmanam meni restrinam maninyo abhyadikam bhuvi. Tasam tat saubhagavadam vikshyamanam cha keshavaha prashamaya prasadaya tatraiva antaradhiyata. The Lord disappeared. Why? To teach them a lesson. When you love somebody, you should cure the person of ego. Only then you are the real friend. Otherwise you are not. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj takes Samarth Ramdas ji, his guru, around a fortress, big fortress. He's building a fortress, Pakka fortress, against his enemy. And he says, Maharaj, Guruji, I'm building a fortress. I've employed 3,000 people. I'm giving them roti, kapda, makan. Guruji says, very, very creditable that 3,000 people are earning their livelihood by you, Shivaji. Good work, good work. Let's go a little further. And they go further. There is a stone. He calls a mason and says, Mason, cut the stone. The stone is cut. In the womb of the stone, there is water. And that water is being drunk by a small frog. Samarth Ramdas turns around and said, Shivaji Maharaj provided water for the frog also. Shivaji says, no, Swami, I understand. Shivaji does not provide anything. It's Narayana, God who provides, Amba, Bhavani who provides. Only to get rid of ego. When you have a friend who has ego, please cut off, do it gently. Doesn't matter if the surgery is painful, doctor. If the surgery is painful, we'll give painkillers later on. But cut it open, otherwise the wound will fester. The wound of pride should not fester in man. It's cancerous to the spiritual growth of a human being. And what did it happen? Atmanam menire strinam mananyo abhyadigam bhuvi. The Lord disappeared. Where is he gone? Krishna, where is he gone? Antarhite bhagavati sahasaiva vrajangana atapyantam achakshana karinyaiva yutapam. Just as female elephants are looking for the leader elephant, they are asking, they are looking for the Lord. That's called the quest. In the philosophic language, it's called the quest, search. The soul searching for the Paramatma. We start searching. And they go from place to place asking, where is the Lord? Where is the Lord? There comes an interesting scene when they find footsteps, footprints in the sands of the Yamuna. Two sets of footprints, male and female. The male are Krishna's. Female must be some beautiful lady whom he must have chosen. Jealousy comes naturally to us. No? Oh, who could it be? A little further, they're asking their leader, Gopi, the women's footprints have got flowers scattered on them. What does it mean? He must have made garlands for her lovely dresses. He must have decorated her with love. I was sitting in one of the host houses in US, North Carolina. There was a picture of Krishna decorating Radha. The Lord is decorating her. My dear husbands who are sitting here with your lovely wives, have you ever made your wife happy with makeup? No time. Professional people. You have no time. Sri Rama holds the chin of Mother Sita and gives her herbal makeup in the Valmiki Ramayana. Clap for him. One day she challenges him. Rama, you're so good at archery. Do you know how to do my makeup? He gives her one stern look. You know that stern look of Rama. Do you know me? That look. And he held her chin, and for hours together, my Lord of Ayodhya paints her beautiful face. She looks at her reflection in the water and says, Master artist, 1,000 apologies for my impertinence. That is what the Valmiki Ramayana describes, to tell you, these are the touches, the simple, lovely touches of domestic life. There's no time at all. You don't even know the color of the sari your wife is wearing. I will never forgive you for this. She said, it's a new sari. You're sure? That's the problem. Men have become indifferent, women have become indifferent, children are most indifferent. This is where the Bhagavata says, yes, he must have made lovely garlands for her dresses. And then, Gopi, the man's footprints are embedded in the sand. The woman's footprints are missing. Tamajgi. What? He must be carrying her in his arms. She must have said, I'm feeling tired. Krishna, please carry me in your arms. And then they meet her. She's sitting there. According to our scriptures, who is Radha? Radha is Krishna herself, my dear listeners. Krishna became two halves, Aradhya, Aradhika. That became Radhika. And she is the one who worships Krishna. He is the one who worships Radha. That is why she is called Radhika. She is the personification of bhakti. She is a concept. Please remember, the Lord himself wanted himself in two halves, the worship and the worshipper. The worshipper is Radha, the worshipped is Krishna. And she says, I tried to be proud with him. He taught me a lesson too. Come, women, come. Let us sing and cry. Let us cry and sing. That's called the Gopika Geetam. Jayati te dhikam Krishna janmana vrajaha स्रयत इन्दिरा कृष्ण शश्वदत्रयी दयितदृश्यतां कृष्ण दिक्षु तावका त्वयि धृतासव कृष्ण त्वां विचिन्वते. Any work that starts with Jayati is famous because it talks of victory, Jaya, Jaya. Tato Jayamudiraye, says the Mahabharata. You have to use the word Jaya. Oh Krishna, ever since you came into Vrindavan, Mother Lakshmi comes here to worship us. She cleans the ground where we perform Rasa Leela. Even today when you go to Nidhivan in Vrindavan, the sand is silken because everybody goes and sweeps that place. The Lord should not have pebbles, thorns hurting him when he is dancing at night. The Bhagavata says, ever since you came, Krishna, no deficit budget. We know who you are. We may be stupid, unlettered, unlearned women, cowherd women. But as the Lord said in the Gita, those who chant His glory, He lights the lamp of wisdom in them. Teshameva anukampartham aham ajnanajam tamaha nashayami atmabhavasto jnanadipena bhasvata. The Lord lights the lamp. That is how the unlettered become lettered. That is how the untalented become most talented. The Lord can do it overnight. Na khalu gopika Krishna nandano bhavan akhila dehinam Krishna antaratmadrik vikhanasarthito Krishna vishwaguptaye sakha udeivan Krishna sattvatam kule. You came to be born here not as a child. You came as the one to set right the moral imbalance of the world, because that is what Brahmaji wanted you to do. Krishna, who are the rich people of the world? Auditors have their own list of the billionaires, but gopis have their own list. Those who chant the name of the Lord, they are the richest billionaires in the world. Bhurida jana tava kathamritam Krishna tapta jeevanam kavibhiriditam Krishna kalmashapaham Sravana mangalam Krishna srimadatam bhuvi grananti te Krishna bhurida jana. Alexander the Great, tall and stately, with a big crown and helmet, was standing on the sands on a beach where a great philosopher was lying in a bathtub. He asked the philosopher, "What do you want?" "Don't stand between me and the sun, I am sunbathing," he said. The philosopher does not want anything from Alexander the Great. Please remember, Bhurida Jana. Krishna, every morning you go. I think that is exactly what happened. Waiting for tomorrow's darshan, my heart is beating fast. When will the night be over? When will the morning dawn? When will the bells start ringing for the Lord? When will the Naivedyam be over? And when will the Lord call me inside? When will I have a glimpse of Him? That autsukya, as it is called, that eagerness. No? Morning you go to graze cattle, Krishna. We keep watching. Quickly we finished. Don't you do that for the katha? Those who are here for 7 days. After all the work is over, you're waiting for 3:30 so that the katha may start. Imagine waiting for the Lord. Atati yat bhavan Krishna anhikananam. Every moment is like a gaping eternity, yuga. Trutir-yuga ayate Krishna tvama pashyatam kutila kuntalam Krishna Tremukhanchate Jada udikshatam Krishna Pakshma kritrisham. They are cursing Brahmaji, who made the phenomenal concept of winking. Why do we wink? We want unblinking stare at you. Past 6:30, Krishna, please appear soon. Everybody is waiting to dance. Krishna, why have you not come, Master? We have left everything behind, O Lord. Every attachment we have given up. Pati Sutanvaya Krishna. He is listening. Bhartribandhavan. Ati vilanghate krishnanti achyutagata gatividastavoth krishna kita mohita kita vayoshita krishna kastyajennishi. How can you abandon us, Krishna? We have given up everything in the world. We have nobody but you. And then they come out with a very sensitive shloka. You're walking in the forest without clippers, and your tender feet are hurt by the thorns. Akhandaji Maharaj gives a very moving description. Yashoda says, Krishna, wear shoes, Krishna, wear shoes and go. Lord says, no, Amma. My bhaktas are spreading their hands on the sands of the Yamuna. I have to walk on those hands, Amma. I can't wear shoes and walk. They are waiting for me, Amma. They are waiting for me. Because the Lord doesn't wear shoes, you and I also don't wear shoes. Tirupati also I don't wear shoes. Doesn't matter if the feet hurt. Your feet must be hurting, Krishna. And our hearts bleed when we think of this. Come quickly. Iti gopyaha pragayantyaha pralabantyacha chitrada rududuhu suswaram rajan. They are weeping sonorously, musically. Does a woman ever weep musically? Ask the husband. Call him alone and ask. In the presence of the wife, he may not tell you the truth. But call him and ask him, how does your wife, horrible woman, the way she cries. Every woman cries in a horrible manner. But when Meera cries, it becomes a bhajan. When Andal cries, it becomes Tirupavi. When Janabai cries, it becomes Abhanga. When gopis cry, it becomes Gopika Geetam, my dear listeners. And when they cried, the Lord had to appear. Tasama virabhut shauri smayamana mukhambujaha pitambaradarastragvi sakshan manmatha manmataha. Manmata is watching. My God, look at the way he's appeared. He beats me hollow. I thought I was the handsome of handsomes. He's 1,000 times more handsome. Manmatha manmataha. And how is he? Pitambara dharaha. I have told my audience, commentators have a very sensitive commentary here. Pitambaraha is enough. He whose cloth is yellow is called Pitambara. Pitambara dharaha means he is holding his Pitambara like this. Servants hold this Pitambara for their masters. The Lord comes as a servant of the gopis, my dear listeners. Clap for them. Pitambara dharaha. And as he appears there, 500 years back, that clever Bhattadri Brahmin, Kerala Brahmin, is cornering Guruvayurappa. Guruvayurappa, Guruvayurappa, how did you come for the Rasa Leela? Clever fellow, action replay. You want me to replay the action? Yes. Kesha, Pasha, Drita, Pinchika, Vitati, Sanchalan, Makara, Kundalam, Hara, Jala, Vana, Malika, Lalitam, Angaraga, Ghana, Saurabham, Pita, Chela, Drita, Kanchi, Kanchita, Mudancha, Damshumani, Nupuram, Rasa Keli Paribhushitam Tavahi Rupamesha Kalayamahe. How is the Sanskrit, my dear listeners? The Sanskrit. Every word is beautiful. This particular shloka gives joy to all the sense organs. The ear, the eye, the nose, the touch, sense of feeling, everything. Kesha Pasha Drita Pinchika Vitati Sanchalan Makara Kundalam Harajalavana Malika Lalitam Angaraga Ghana Saurabham Pita Chela Drita Kanchi Kanchita Mudanchadam Shumani Nupuram Rasakeli Paribhushitam Tavahi Rupamesha Kalayamahi. Nearly 500 years back, Bhattadri saw the Rasa Leela in Guruvayur, my dear listeners. How lucky he must have been, how lucky he must have been. There came the choreographer called Bilva Mangala. Gopi, Krishna, Gopi, Krishna, Gopi, Krishna, जीवात्मा परमात्मा, जीवात्मा परमात्मा, जीवात्मा परमात्मा, जीवात्मा परमात्मा, जीवात्मा परमात्मा, अंगनाम अंगनाम चांतरेण माधवो माधवम माधवम चांतरेण अंगना इत्थमा कल्पिते मंडले मध्यगः संजगौ वेणुना देवकी नंदना. What does Rasa Leela mean? That you have your Krishna for yourself. Don't think he is busy like an operator with other lines. No call on hold. Your call will be received by him. You call him and he answers. If he does not answer, don't come to our katha hereafter. Every sincere call he answers. We can challenge on his behalf. He will never let you down. Nahi kalyanakrit kachit durgatim tata gachati. No, the Gita says, the devotee of the Lord is never let down, never let down. There he was standing and all the gopis are ready to dance. I asked the Lord for a song and he gave me a song in the Hindi language. Two Gujarati women that I would wear this nose ring and use this dandiya when I do the Rasa Leela. So I am bound by my word and by their love also. Please get ready to dance. धीरन्ना 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 नाचे गोपी कान्हा.